Sir, give me something to eat.
I'll give you to eat, but in return, you will have to do some work because I don't feed anyone for free. Do the work and eat your food.
Yes, sir. What you will say, I'll do that.
Okay, come inside.
Now tell me what work I need to do.
You do one thing. Take this cloth and clean that table.
Okay. It's done. Tell me what else I need to do.
That's all you have to do, nothing more.
Just that much work? If by doing this much work, I can get food, so keep me here. I can do this work for you whole day.
No, son. The work, what you did, actually, I didn't need it. I made you work so that you don't get the habit of eating for free. Son, if you want to live a respectable life, then always remember one thing. Whenever you eat, eat with your hard-earned money. If you ask for food, then people will think you are a beggar.
So that's what I'm saying. You hire me for work here, and whatever I'll do the work, in return you can give me food.
I don't have any work for you. I just wanted to feed you. And I wanted to tell you that always eat with hard-earned money. And yes, God always helps those who work hard.
Okay. Yes, son, tell me. Ma'am, if you have some work at your home, tell me. I can do that. No, there is no work. Okay. Ma'am, please you see now. I think there must be some work which I can do. In return of that work, you give me some food. You come inside with me. Sit. I will bring something for you to eat. Take this.
Have some water.
Now tell me what I have to do. You don't have to do anything. If you want to rest, you can take rest here. No, I have to do some work. Otherwise people will call me a beggar. I don't want to live life of a beggar. I want to live a respectful life. Son, who are you? And why are you talking like this? My name is Prince. My mom, dad, I lost them in a car accident. From that day, I started living with my uncle, auntie. But they used to ask me to do work day and night. Also, they used to beat me on small things. And even after working whole day, for once I used to get food at night. And from which I was not able to eat properly. Even they both took my parents' land on their name. But That day I thought that if I can get money by doing work, then I'll go and work somewhere else and eat. That's why I ran from there and came here. Son, we will give you work. Then you have to stay with us in this home and you have to do work daily. Yes, I'll do all the work daily. Fine. So today you take rest. Tomorrow we will explain you work. And from day after tomorrow you have to work properly. Okay. Prince, come soon, otherwise you will be late. It's your first day to go on your work. I'm coming. You will work with your whole heart, na? I really love doing studies. When I used to study, I always used to come first. But after I lost my mom, dad, uncle and auntie didn't support me. It's okay. Now study properly, okay? Okay. But I want to ask something from you. Can I ask you? Yes, ask me now. That day when I came and you opened the gate, why were you crying? Just like that. Tell me now. Actually, we had a son. Just like you. 2 weeks back, he left us. How? He had cancer. Okay, I'll go to school. Can I say you, Mom? Yes, you can call me Mom. And to him, Father. Now from now, you are our son. You will live with us forever. My mom also used to love me like that you love me. I love you, Mom. Love you too, son.
Won't you hug your father?